The best way to get better at programming is to practice. In this example, we're going to use an input validation loop. That is, we're going to use a conditional loop to do some error checking. As always, you can download this file from the website listed in the description below. You can also pause this video, work on it, and then check your answer. The first thing I need to do is get my very first number. So I'm going to call this first, and I'm going to assume that we're just getting integers. So I'm going to say equals int input please provide a number. Then we have second equals int input. For my second prompt, I can say please provide a number larger than, and I need to put in that first number. Now, my first number happens to be a number, okay? So that first variable is a number. So I'm going to use the str function, pass in first. This is going to convert it to a string. This way I can concatenate it with my string literal. And then my second string literal just for the colon. If I test this, please provide a number. I say 5. Please provide a number larger than 5. I can say 7. That works. But if I go in and I say 5 and 3, it works, but my second number was smaller. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do a quick test to see is the second larger than first. And while the second is not larger than the first, we're going to ask for that number again. So the easy way is to say while first is greater than or equal to second. So if the first one is bigger than my second number, then all I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and copy and paste this in. I want to get second value again. Let's test this out. I run. Please provide a number. I'm going to say 5 again. Please provide a number larger than 5. 2. Please provide a number larger than 5. 4. Please provide a number larger than 5. And it's going to keep on going until I provide a number larger than 5. Then it will finally end. Let me do a clear screen. Let's try this one more time. Please provide a number larger than 5. And choose 9 as my first number. We just want to make sure it works for something other than 5. 1, yep. -2. It's working. 9. 9 is not larger than 9. So it's going to ask us again. 99, you betcha. So it's a real simple loop to go in. Very simple input validation. All we're doing is checking, hey, does this loop make sense with that one? It did. And now we make sure we get the right answer. This would fit into a bigger program that we could do other things later on. So if you want to see what types of things we can do, keep watching these videos to get more programming practice.